Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today we have this Samsung washing machine and the model number is located right here, just in case if you need to know where the model number is. The customer's complaint is that the washer is not working. By saying it's not working is you can turn on the washer. It comes on. You can also select your stuff here, whichever cycle you need to use. For example, we're going to choose quick wash, start it. It's going to run for a couple of seconds, like it will try to balance itself. The drum goes back and forth. You will see it's going to agitate and spin a little bit. See that? So at this moment, it's trying to sense the clothes, how much clothes is inside. And then after this, it's gonna stay quiet completely, and you will see these lights keeps blinking. It doesn't matter if you select quick, normal, heavy duty, deep, any of these cycles you want to use, the same thing will happen. It will stay quiet. It's gonna stop now. I'm gonna stop my video. So it stopped, and then you can see it stays on this light and this light, and it keeps blinking. When this happens, there's communication problem between the main control board and there's a part called the shift actuator or drive motor, which is this part. I will show you the image of the part. It's located at the bottom of the washer. The part number is DC97-16984B as a Bravo, this one. So remember, we have to confirm if this is the problem or not. So what you can do is you have to turn off the power. Once you turn off the power, turn it back on, and then bring the selector switch or the knob all the way to the self clean, and then press this start and hold it for a couple of seconds. Keep holding it, and eventually it goes through the diagnostic. So now you are on diagnostic. From diagnostic, you press start again. It's gonna fill with cold water. So it's filling with water. In this stage, it's going through the self-testing. It's gonna fill with cold water, and now it's gonna fill with hot water. And then it's gonna agitate, and eventually it's gonna go to the spin cycle. See, it's agitating now. And then on this drive motor, you see that tiny part, it actually spins slowly. When it spins, because this goes bad on this whole assembly, the only part goes bad is this one right here, and then it's gonna make noise. So if you hear noise coming from the washer when it's running on the spin cycle or on the 8th and 9th number here, so it starts from number 1, goes to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then after that it quits. So if you hear the noise is coming from this part, and you have to replace it. So this part needs to be replaced, or if you get the error code. So for this, you will also get the 3C3 error code, and it's gonna look a little bit funny. You're gonna have number 3, then you will see the alphabet and then the opposite 3, and then that also tells you that this part is bad. So we are gonna wait and see. So 8, and it should make noise after this. It's gonna make loud noise. when it makes loud noise, you know that this plastic part is slipping. Looks like this from the bottom. You hear that noise? This part. You hear that noise, it's slipping, and because of that you have to replace the whole assembly. Oh, I'm gonna wait now. So here you go, we got the error code too. So by replacement of this part, it will take care of the problem. In some cases, if you have more problem, then it can also cause damage to the main control board if it shorts to ground or anything happens with this part. But I've seen in the past, this was always the common problem with this error code and that noise, and you have to replace it. That takes care of the problem. I will also post a video at the bottom of my link when I get a chance, so you will see how this part is being replaced. Thank you.